Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. On an earlier episode, we talked about hood to cowl seals, and the specific one we were using was 5 and 6 car, which also does 5 through 9 truck and Nova. And so we had a customer say, hey, can you do a video on 67 to 72 hood to cowl seals? So here we go. This is part number 5097, and it works a little bit differently. That one we did used a clip. Well, starting in 1960 on truck up through 72, they did not use a clip. They used the cowl panel itself to hold this down. I don't have one on here, but you can see up here on top how this cowl panel is attached with, you've got, of course, bolts in the corner, and then you've got a series of screws across this lip. So the hood to cowl seal comes pre-punched on it with holes already in it, and again, it's done in a V shape, just like the other hood to cowl seal does as well. So how this fits on there is this part, you can see this little lip goes up inside, and in theory, of course, not every one of these trucks are exactly the same, so keep in mind my word, in theory. This lip fits on the inside ledge here of that cowl seal. Then this part folds over this outer lip, and as the hood comes down, it smashes it down. But how this one is held on, and they're going to come rolled up like this. I recommend, and they do this for packaging, obviously, take the rubber bands off, let it lay out in the sun if you can, or a hot room for, I don't know, a day at least. That way it relaxes and releases itself and becomes a little bit more flexible. You're going to put that on, and then the screw is going to go through those holes. Now, you keep in mind, not every one of these trucks are exactly the same, folks. So I can put 10 of these trucks next to each other, and I'll come up with 10 different sets of measurements on just about everything. So keep in mind that screw hole may not be perfect on here, so you may... And the reason being is they're going to go with the sample they had is what they're going to make that back against. So who knows if on the line back in the day, if Larry and Bill punched these as they went or what. I have no idea. But just keep that in mind. You may have to, the screw may be right up against. It may not be perfectly centered. Who knows? Anyway, that's how this one was held on. And then, once it's on there, that panel comes down, screws go through it, sandwiches it down, and that's what holds it all together. So, and then again, as the hood comes down, the back of it collapses that up on top, and that's what provides you that gap seal there. So, you ever have any questions about something like this, please feel free to, you can message us at info@hhclassic.com or go on the website, and there is a item question there that you can either go through the Q&A system and or send us a direct message to it. We'll respond back to you with what information you're requesting. So, hey, thanks for watching HHTV, and we'll see you on the next episode.